Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Core 57S, and let me show you all secret codes which will work on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, the keypad, and let me show you the first code. It's *pound *pound 4636 pound *pound*. And as you can see, we are in a testing mode. We can check some phone info, battery info, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So let me pick, for example, phone info. And as you can see here, we are provided with email number, current network, data service, data network type. What's more, we can run ping test. Simply tap here, and as you can see here, we've got the results. We can tap on this three dots icon, and here we can, for example, enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Now let's get back. And let's check, for example, battery info. And as you can see here, we can check battery status, the level, scale, health, voltage, or temperature. Let's get back and let's check, for example, Wi-Fi info, the status. Let's refresh it, and here we can check network state, SSID, or network ID. What's more, we can run ping test here, and here we've got all the results. Now let's get back to the dialer. And let me show you another code. This is the shortest one. It's *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's click on OK, and let me show you another code. It's *pound 225 pound *pound*. And here we are in a calendar info. We've got all events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. Now let's get back to the dialer, and let me show you another code. It's *pound 426 pound *pound*. And here we are in a diagnostic mode provided by Google. We can check some events and also the status. What's more, we can tap on this three dots icon, click on advanced view, and after tapping on status we get much more info. Now let's get back and let me show you the last code. It's *pound 759 pound *pound*. It is Access Google Partner Setup. We can check, for example, brand code. We can check next alarm, current backoff, or enable G services or initial retry delay. What's more, we can check pings or events. So this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your ARCHOS Core 57S. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.